Hi guys, I'm ExactChaos and welcome back to another episode of Startup Freak. It's a new game by Pool Games. It's not yet out on Steam, but will be there shortly, I believe. Okay, so a few things has happened since the last episode, and that's all my fault. I messed up the last recording and kind of lost what I did and couldn't go back to redo it. So you'll just have to bear with me. We finished off milestone A and we're now currently busy with milestone B, which means that we need to create 50 features in our product and we need to generate quite a lot of monthly revenue, 200,000 to get this thing up and running. I believe we also added some more investors to the mix. So let me have a quick look. Oh, that's new investors. Let me have a quick look here. Those are the plans. Finances. Where's my investors? Shareholders. So I've added one more investor to the mix. I believe it's Emil Espitia. Got quite a bit of money from that. I haven't added any more people, I believe. I don't think I've added more people. So let's have a quick look at our product. Where are we standing? Oh, we've got a bug. Let's make sure to get that bug sorted out. We're currently doing some market research into this area. We're upgrading our features. We are constantly working on improved marketing. And yeah, we're building some new features also. And that's about it, I think. So let's have a look. Let's quickly go and those are our plans: basic, advanced, and pro. 29, 49, and 59. This is our server. I haven't currently actually moved over to another server yet. I'm struggling to get the user numbers up. Okay, and then sales channels. What? Everything from blog posts? What the hell? That doesn't sound quite right to me. Ooh, some furniture. Maybe we can add some furniture, but marketing. So what am I doing? I'm doing blog posts, and that is why everything is from blog posts, because I'm only doing blog posts. I've tried some of the other things. Currently there are a few events that's hampering us. We had a security breach, so we need to make sure that our features include better security. How does that look at the moment? Yeah, so we've got a few bits and pieces here. So that's why part of why I'm doing this, so I can pop in some more security over here. Okay, security features definitely need to be upgraded, so we don't get that again. And the other thing is coffee habits drive up rent, and so property rental is up quite a fair bit. What I'm going to try and do, let's just for good measure grab a little bit of furniture. Let's grab a coffee machine, so that there's at least some coffee available for the team. Get the morale up a little bit. Okay, so we've pretty much got a full schedule running. Yeah, so let's just keep doing that. Okay, how's our users? Our visitors is dropping a little bit. Our total users is dropping, and accordingly our revenue is dropping. Yeah, our revenue is dropping big time. We've got level 7 infrastructure. What does that mean? We've got that sorted. Oh, that's just getting some more of these things. So what I could potentially do is move these things around a little bit to get it to be less costly. Is that right? Is that what I'll do? If I activate this, right, and then I will, because now I've got a server topology, which means I can actually grab some of these guys, pop them in there. So let's do 3 of them, and then what I'll do is I will take out some of these and see how that goes. So the network cost has gone down. I believe it was like 8,000, so at least if we can keep dropping that, I'm not sure if that'll work, but let's keep going and see what that does. Yeah, so everything is still dropping. We've got a bug fixed. How's this doing? Ooh. So let's see about that. Maybe that's sufficient. We maybe don't need to spend that much, but certainly I need to make a bit of a more concerted effort on marketing. So let's have a quick look over here. So what does this say? Better than Barker ads for spending less than 20,000. So if I'm going over 20,000 in spend, then I can do Barker ads. Better than mailing lists for any amount of spending. Better than mailing lists. And better than cold calls for any amount of spending if I do these kind of things. So mailing lists, worse. cold calls worse. So I'm not really too keen on doing that outbound. I need to keep upgrading this so that we can get search ads. I think that'll be pretty good. So as soon as we get marketing, and that's inbound marketing level 7, so we'll be able to open that one up. What I might do is I might add a bit of cash for TV ads and see if we can't get a little bit more action out of that. Are we gonna get some more? The users. I need the users to get better. So we've got this. That's just a junk mail. Okay, let's see what else we can do over here. That market research is underway. I'm kind of wondering whether I should add another person to the mix. Okay, so now what I do need over here is a security feature, probably around there. So I'll pop one in there. I'm going to need one in here somewhere, and I'm probably going to need one over there. Oh, add to the sprint. Can we get another security feature? We can't actually get one in there. So what I'll do is let's add a performance feature or something like that. So a test feature or a performance feature. So yeah, let's just discard that. Okay, so if we do a performance feature over here, and I believe it's tab, right? How do we? Oh, there we go. And we'll drive it in there. Okay, so we'll add the performance feature to the sprint over there, and then the question is I can't actually yet get the security feature in there just yet. Go to discard. Is there anything else? We're doing some testing over here. I could have added a testing feature over there too. It's testing. What I could do is I could actually add an extra performance feature right over here. Let's turn it up like that and add it to the sprint. So now we've got our sprint pretty much full again. So there we go. Let's keep running this. How's our users? Should we be spending more? Our expenditure is crazy, guys. I think let's see how our channels are doing. Sales channels. So blog posts do much better than TV ads, in my opinion, after those two. So that's okay. So let's go back to marketing and let's up this budget a little. If we say do 10,000 over there, and let's just drop that one to just not muddy things up a little bit. Hopefully that gets us in there a lot. Okay, is that picking up? Are we getting more people? Slowly coming up. I'm so worried we're running out of money instead of anything else. Social media, inbound marketing, building features. Are we upgrading? Pretty much are. Ooh, that's not what I wanted to do. And that's nothing whatsoever. Just straight away lose it right there. Wow, that was problematic. Let's rebuild the feature over here. So what I'm going to need is 2 of those and 3 of those. I think that's about the correct mix, and I can't believe I did that. Oh, that's a nightmare. Are we going up here? Very slowly, very slowly. Hopefully now some of these things will start helping us out. Yes, that is starting to see a little bit more, but we're still losing tons of cash. 10,000 to be honest. It just goes up so slowly. And the question that I keep asking about these things, and I haven't actually figured it out yet. So if we do, hang on, better than Barker ads for spending than less than 20. Better than blog posts for spending more than 20. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, let's drop the blog post completely and let's go and spend 21k on Barker ads and see how that does. Wow, look at that. That's a jump. That is a bit of a jump over there. So let's see. Let's make sure we do the bug. I want to stop with the marketing now. Thank you. Get the marketing out of there, and we've already built that feature again. So let's get some security features up and running. Add to the sprint. Get another security feature over here. Add it to the sprint. What can we do over here? Let's build another feature and say let's do 1, 2, something like that. How's that going to work? So we can put in another security feature over here and get this pretty well covered, to be honest. Actually, let's discard that one and let's rather build it all the way around. So let's do a feature like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll put the security in there and then we'll be covered. So let's add that to the sprint. Is there anything else we can do? We'll keep social media and things running. We can add something else. So let's see about adding a performance feature or something. Performance or test. Yeah, let's grab a performance feature over here. Pop it in, turn it around, get it in there, and add it to the sprint. So we'll see about adding our performances up there. Excellent. So let's keep running this and see where this is going. Yes, we are picking up, but we're spending so much money. So much. Things are picking up. I'm wondering how long we can survive this. Okay, keep sprinting. It is picking up still. It is still picking up, and we are making more money, but we're still well behind what we need to be able to do. Okay, are we doing more? 6, 8. Okay, now our network infrastructure is starting to become a problem. So let me see about adding, what did I add in there? One of these. What do they do? Oh, monthly rent. Let's add one of these down there. See if that makes a difference. It's still going up, but we're staying about 10,000 below, so I'm not sure where all the expenditure is going. Okay, our development, our sprints are still full. Let's make sure to keep whacking the bugs. How long will this thing? Wow, it's only about halfway through. I'm kind of wondering if an extra person would help us out or not. Excellent. So property rental is down. Is that going to help us? So we're getting closer to the mix over here. Okay, so self-programmed Airbnb for offices has been a huge uptake. Excellent. That's pretty good. Let's keep going. Okay, 3 features, 1 bug fix, and things are still growing. And now this is starting to become a problem, so let's make sure to add yet another one of these. These things become extremely expensive. Let me have a look. Oh, there you go, the peon over there. That's 5,000 a month. This thing over here is only 700, but what's the capacity? So maximum load 18,000. This one is 70,000, but 5,000. So I can build like 5 of these, and they'll still be cheaper than building that one. It's a space thing, I believe. 40,000 at 5,000, 20,000 at 1,200. This one just remains definitely. As long as I can fit these, it feels like I should be fitting these. Okay, let's see how the rest of this is going. We're slowly continuing to grow our users, but it's slowing down a little bit now, and our expenditure is quite significant. So if I go here, what is our finances doing? So our expenditure, salaries, marketing, infrastructure cost is significant. And the question that I ask, office rent is nothing, office upkeep is nothing. So infrastructure and marketing is really where it's at. So I'm gonna see if there is anything I can do. Wow, look at that. If there's anything I can do to drop our infrastructure costs. So if I go to infrastructure, I'm not building expensive things in here. But the question in my mind is, if I activate yet another one, what does that if I activate it alone, does it cost me anything else? It doesn't cost anything. So if I, for instance, say add one over here, and we'll take one out over there. Hang on. Let's see. If I take that one out. Oh, the network cost. Ooh. Is that a dip in network cost if I do that? So what I should be doing is I should just be running one in... How is network cost derived? Let's go here. What does this mean? Topology. It just doesn't say, so I've got no idea of knowing what actually contributes to the next network cost. Okay, so if I go here and let's say let's activate Asia also, and we'll add one of these over there. So the network cost has not gone down at all for that. So let's see how that works if I add that. Adding more people, how's the network doing? Ah. So potentially what we can do is I can drop these two. Well, let's just activate all of them and let's just add one of these in every one and see if that makes any kind of difference. Oh yeah, look at that. We are starting to see some money over here. Now everything is working, so what I'm thinking is let's drop two more and see if that does the trick. So yes, I should have just done that a long time ago. Now we're starting to be profitable. I am liking it now. Oh, and I've stopped doing anything that I need to do over here. I need to add more features. Give me a security one over there, please. That's definitely required, so we'll pop that one in there. What I can also do is probably start running an extra feature in here. So let's add a feature. 1, 2, like so. That could do something for us. Let's add that to the sprint. What else do we need to do here? Let's see about upgrading our office environment a little bit more. We can also add yet another feature over here, so let me add one more over here. Over here like this. There we go. Let's add that. So there's another feature over there, and let's see about adding a performance or maybe a testing one. So let's discard this and let's do a bit of a testing one. So we haven't done a test one in a while, so let's pop one in here and we'll turn it to give it a little bit of a test environment over there. Let's do that. Excellent. So we've filled up our sprint. Let's see about that. Are we still making money? We are making money. I'm liking it. As soon as you get profitable, it seems it's quite good. How's this doing? Okay. I think I'm actually learning a few lessons now for the first time. So let's drop this one over here and we'll see how that goes. But really, we are starting to make money. We are starting to make money. Let's give the guys a bit of a reward by giving them a fridge. Excellent. With the fridge in place, things will be much better for you guys. You can have milk there. Okay, level 2 office supplies are done. That means let's grab them a bit of a purple beanbag or something, a water cooler. Let's buy a water cooler. That seems pretty good. And let's buy a bit of a purple beanbag right over there. Excellent. Now everybody should be very happy. I'm wasting money on stuff like that, but it's not the end of the world. 2 new features are done. Let's have a look. Okay, yeah, the performance one is running over here. Yeah, let's add another feature. So if I add a feature over here, something like that, then I can squeeze in extra security here and extra security over there. Yeah, let's do that. Let's add that to the sprint. Is there anything else we can do? Should we do some performance or security over here? Security needs to go in here. So I want this one to finish up. want us to finish that one up. What else do we have? So we see about, what is this? Company PR. It attracts better candidates. So let's do a bit of company PR as well. I think that's what's going on. Not good. Okay, close. Let's see if we sprint it. What happens? Excellent. Now let's pop up in here. There's some kind of excellent. Now we've sorted that out. Yeah, let's just keep going on that. How are we doing? It's an interesting game. The balance that you need to maintain over here is quite the challenge. So we're balancing out things quite well. I think we are. Not sure about traffic. Could we get things a little bit cheaper? It's fairly minor. I think we're running about as cheap as we can on infrastructure at the moment. And if we look at marketing, let's have a quick look at that. If we have a look at branding, our branding, we've spent a lot of time on branding. So let's see, let's rebrand to do something really cool. Because we can boost quite significantly with branding. So we've got a logo like that. So let's have a quick look. Let's rebrand to I kind of like this one. Yeah, or this one. Let's do that. Let's rebrand to this one. Excellent. So now that we've rebranded, that should give us quite a bit of a boost. Let's see. Well, I hope it's giving us a boost. 979. Yeah, there we go. Over the 1,000. Starting to make a little bit of money now. Oh, features done. Level 3 offices and job advertising. Pool of candidates is increased to 5. Excellent. Let's make sure to fix that bug. Let's get this one out of the way. Let's up this one again. Let's keep going on that. And what else can we do? We'll add another security module right around there. Okay, let's do that. Let's pop it in there. Ooh, we need one up there too. Add it to the sprint. So we'll need to put one up there too. Make sure we don't get any security issues. We're slowly going up. So now we're making about 10,000 a sprint. Oh well, 10,000 a month. So that's a little bit. Excellent. This is what I was waiting for. Our best feature has 5 components, 1 upgraded and is bug free. Customers in our market segment care more about API integration. Oh, I forgot to do some of that. Than memory usage. Our customers think we are doing an okay job, but we could be doing better. 3 out of 39 features have known bugs. Our potential customers in this market care more about design than technical features. Based on this, none of our features are too technical. 1 of our features is too design focused, and 16 of our features hit the right balance between design and tech. Radio ads will attract a larger number of visitors than my face ads for any amount of spending. The price of our advanced plan is getting close to where it should be, but it is too high. So the advanced plan needs to be lowered a little bit. So we can immediately go and look at that. So let's look at this. So let's pop that down to say 45. Maybe that is the right mix for it. So let's apply it. See if that taken effect. It has. Excellent. That's pretty good. We'll see if we can't get a little bit more cash out of that. That's just that one. So let's go to marketing and see. Do we have radio ads? We don't. We're not actually working on traditional media. We're just doing the Barker ads at the moment. Better than my face ads for any amount of spending. Yep. Well, we can keep doing that. So let's have a look at our product. Got some bugs in there. So let's make sure to get working on the bugs. We need some security to be added to the mix over here. Added to the sprint. We need another one. Let's keep adding some security features. Probably over there. Okay, added to the sprint. Let's keep going on everything else just for a bit, and then we'll see about getting the rest done over here. Excellent. Keep working. I'm wondering about adding an extra person to the mix. So what does our team look like at the moment? So we've got development and design. and we've got design over here. If we look at candidates, we've got design and operations, pretty good, development, design, development, sales and marketing. So sales and marketing, I believe, is the one that is missing out. So let's keep running it a little bit, and then we'll running the prestige one a little bit and see if we can get someone better. Excellent. So level 2 PR company. What's going on over here? Diffuse the security attack. Excellent. I'm so glad we did that. PR really paid off. Now a +1 skills. Excellent. So let's go back to candidates and see. Sales and marketing and operations. This looks pretty good. I'm not sure. Design. I don't need more design. Sales and marketing and operations could be pretty good. So let me to increase the number of candidates. Wow, that is quite an expensive person, and I'm worried that this is an issue. Now, let's hire them. See, so now we've got an extra person, so now we should be able to do a few more things. Oh, we actually can't do a few more things. Well, let's run that and see how that goes. Excellent. Is our marketing doing better? That's my question. Sales and marketing. Design. Sales and marketing, design, operations and development. Yeah, I think now we've got quite a good mix of things over here. So let's see, can we add some more? We can't. That's an interesting one, but we can most certainly look into adding another security feature, which I think is what we need to be doing. So let's add one over there, add it to the sprint and get that up and running. The question is, are we doing things quicker now? We are still doing okay, but we are spending a little bit more money now. Let's quickly pop into marketing. We're still just maxed out on Barker ads as our source of marketing. Now the question that I'm going to try and ask is, if let's say I throw in a good 3,000, so I'm at like 36,000 visitors per month plus 1,150 users. If I add an extra 3,000 in competitions over here, does that shoot this up? Not enough in my opinion. Let's give it one more go. No, it's actually dropping things a little bit over here. I believe. It's not really doing its thing. Okay, let's have a quick look at infrastructure. Pop out the servers and see how this is doing. All of this is kind of doing its thing. So I don't think we can save any more over here. I think that's okay. And what else? Ooh. So she's got some kind of issue. Biggest concern, can't remember the last time I could afford a holiday. Okay, so she wants a little bit more money. So let's boost her salary just a tad, like that, and see if that does the trick. Let's see about our market catchment. So our competitions is giving us a little bit. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to run a bit of a test. I'm going to go to the marketing. I'm going to leave Barker ads where they are, and I'm going to do 1,000 of each one of these and see if which one of them is the best, so that we can see about adding an extra one. Oh, I should have added some more features. Excellent. So now we've got a lot of stuff happening. What is marketing saying? Oh, now we can unlock this. Oh, that is going to be beautiful. Unlock that. Got that sorted. Okay, now get the bug fixed. Don't deprecate this. Get the bug fix over there. Let's do a test one in here. This thing is so excellent. Let's do that. Let's do those testing over there. Let's add that to the sprint. Is there anything else we can add? How's our security coverage looking? It's pretty good as it stands. Our test coverage is, we probably need a little bit more test coverage over here. So let's yeah, let's do that. Let's add some test coverage like so, and see about getting some test coverage added there. And what else can we add? Oh, we probably should start upgrading some of these things. So let's add some accessibility upgrades right over there. Excellent. How's that going? Oof, things have dropped. Bestseller warns of technology. What does that mean? What does that mean? The novel The Man Who Couldn't Look Up, which was released 2 weeks ago, is already shattering sales records internationally. The author, Chip Skull, admitted that his cautionary tale was not intended to scare people off technology, but simply indulge in a realistic what-if scenario. Nevertheless, economists are already seeing its impact on consumer and business tech spending. Visitors are reduced and our sign-ups have reduced, but our churn at least is not increasing. Let's have a quick look over here. So from what I can see, competitions is by far the best, then video and TV ads. So let's make sure to start dropping those. Okay, so competitions is the best. So what I'm going to do is let's see if we do that, put those two up against each other and see what that does. And I think, guys, that's going to be the end of this episode. I think we've done about enough for now. So what do you think about this game? We probably need to upgrade our office a little bit. What do you think about this game? Yeah, leave me some comments. Tell me what you think. Is it an interesting one? And so on. And yes, if you liked it, please leave a like, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.